Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's interesting to see that in the insider rings on Dev and Beta channel, some of you might see a new icon on your taskbar. And it looks like this, and if you hover over it, it's going to tell you can actually use Task View to switch from the cloud PC or to your PC that you have, your desktop, on your regular PC. So it's kind of a switch between a cloud PC and your own PC. And this, I guess, is to continue testing with what is Windows 365, which is cloud-based Windows. So this is pretty much the way it's working right now, probably, is that they are actually enabling you to switch between one and the other if you ever wish to do so. We know that Microsoft will be working hard to push enterprise, particularly into cloud PCs and cloud, Windows 365, as it has many advantages, including not having to use a standard computer. You can actually run this on almost anything. So if some of you see that, there is, I believe, a trial that you can actually start for free just to check out the cloud PCs. So this is kind of interesting. I will be checking out if I can actually enroll also for a cloud PC Windows 365 trial and see how it goes and give my impressions on this. So this is coming up in some of you with the insider rings. Another thing also that is interesting about the insider rings is the fact that you have the snip and sketch feature will also add a few things in the future. If you go here on mine, if I take a new, just a quick, here we go. You'll notice that in the future you'll have edit in paint icon that will appear here, which is nice because, until now you were basically stuck there, and if you wanted to edit with paint, you had to save it, then open it with paint, and now it can actually go directly. So if you click the icon, edit with paint, it's automatically sent to the paint software. So this is cool, as it makes it a lot easier. So these are a few things that are slowly showing up for those that are insiders, and but that Windows 365 kind of switch between cloud and desktop PC is kind of interesting to check out. Yeah, some of you have it in the dev and beta channels. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.